Hello, I'm Ed Yeakel. As a retired Army veteran, a member of a veteran service organization, and a fellow CPAP user, I understand the important role these machines play in your overall health and share your concerns about the recent Philips Respironics recall. We at VA understand the anxiety you might feel about potentially not having your machine available, as well as continuing its use. While there is a potential risk from the deterioration of the sound reduction foam, those risks have to be balanced against the known health risk of untreated sleep apnea. As such, we generally recommend that you continue use of your Philips Respironics device as prescribed until you have a chance to discuss options with your care team. We recognize that each patient's needs are different, and your care team can help determine what's right for you. Philips Respironics is responsible for managing this device recall and will provide a replacement device to each veteran user when they become available, along with instructions on returning your current device. I urge you to please register your device on the Philips Respironics patient portal website or by calling the recall support line so that they can provide you with a new machine as soon as one becomes available. VA is working with Philips Respironics and advocating on behalf of veterans to ensure you receive the most up-to-date information and guidance, as well as priority access to replacement devices. I want to share some of the things that the VA is doing to help you navigate the recall. VA has established a team of subject matter experts who are meeting frequently with Philips, federal health agencies, and the American Academy of Sleep Medicine to understand any risks and to ensure veterans have access to replacement devices as they become available. VA has a website where you can find updated guidance on the recall, frequently asked questions, and information on registering your device. Your VA provider is prepared to talk to you about your CPAP use and help you make the best decision about continuing or pausing use. VA is also working with other manufacturers to purchase CPAP or BiPAP devices. Because of worldwide shortage, there are just not enough devices available to meet the need. If you have additional questions or are concerned about using your current device, please call your care team and send them a secure message through My Healthy Vet to schedule an appointment. I want to thank you for your patience as we go through this process. I assure you, we understand and share your concerns about the recall and are doing everything we can to ensure you receive a replacement device as soon as possible.